Hey, if you're watching this video, you probably bought an espresso machine. You're at your wit's end with it. Shit's hitting the fan. Coffee's flying. Your kitchen's a mess. You don't know how to pull a shot, but don't worry. Stay off Reddit. Just watch this video. I'll walk you through every step, and you'll be fine. You'll be pulling shots in no time. All right, we're gonna start by measuring out 18 grams of raw coffee beans. I honestly use this stuff from Costco. It's like 12 bucks a bag. It works fine. I think we got about like 17.7 grams here. It's close enough, so we're just gonna go with it. All right, next you're gonna take your coffee beans and we're gonna grind them. I use the Baratza Encore grinder and grind it like a level 5. I've seen a lot of people trash this grinder on the internet, but I mean, it's fine. It works well for me. It's like 150 bucks and it does what it needs to. You can use it for espresso, cold brew, French press, whatever. So this is about the consistency that you're looking for here. My camera won't focus, but you get the idea. All right, so you're gonna load your grounds into your portafilter and just give it a few light taps just to even everything out. Or just keep going, whatever. So now you're gonna use your WDT tool. I don't know, I just call it the spreader, to get all your clumps out and evenly distribute the coffee. A pro tip for tamping is to use the edge of the countertop to tamp against. That way you can be sure you're tamping a flat surface as opposed to like on an angle. So you've made it this far. We're gonna go ahead and pop that bad boy in, flip it on, and see what we got. I like to stop it at around 45 mLs. So that's the final product. Take a deep breath. Congratulations, you did it. You don't have to throw the machine away. And now you have a great cup of espresso that you can enjoy. If you enjoyed this video and thought it was helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this, espresso, coffee, food related, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See you later.